This is the difference between a passive management and an active management. A passive management as a Polestar, what they do is they just do nothing. They don't make any commentary, they don't make any guidance, they don't make guidance upgrades, they don't make any promises, they don't make any forward-looking future good things to hold on to. No, they don't. On the other hand, we have Nikola, Trevor Milton. What did he do? He made a lot of promises. He made hypium, he made hopium, he made all kinds of promises that were probably not going to be true, and they were not true either. But at least he tried to hype up his company. He tried. Now, at this point, we have the Biden tax on Chinese-made EVs, 102% tariffs. Trevor Milton, you know what he'd have done? He would have said, we are going to navigate our way around this tax by moving our factories to Europe or whatever. He would have said something like that. And yes, maybe we did not have filed our 2023 and Q1 of 24, but you know what? It's because of this and that. And don't worry, there will be a lot of good things in it. We're just dotting the I's and just making sure everything is perfect. We will be here soon and don't worry about it, and it's fine. And if they would have published it, that there's bad numbers in it, they would have made promises like in the future we will have more deliveries. We are working on some kind of experiment with the hydrogen cells, and we are going to deliver more trucks because there are more leasing companies that are interested in us and not just buyers. So Trevor Milton would have come on and hyped the company. Thomas Ingenthal doesn't say crap. He's just silent. This is the difference between one company's management that is so giving you hopium, so your stock share will not even crash below $1. And on the other hand, you have management that has nothing to say. They just give you the numbers. That's all they do. And even with those numbers, they're late. And when it goes against them, they're just not making any comment, making it a bad omen for the investors. Why? The greatest thing that the investors hate is uncertainty. And he's cultivating uncertainty. Thomas Ingenthal is cultivating uncertainty. Uncertainty about being delisted from the NASDAQ, uncertainty about the whole Biden tax of 102%, and uncertainty about what is he hiding? Why did he still not file the FY 2023 and the fiscal year? And why didn't they file the Q1 of 24? So investors are thinking, what is he hiding? If it would have been Trevor Milton, he would say, yeah, you know what? Don't worry about it. We got this. And that is to see on the share price. Just look at the share price. They went public, and since they went public, it has been one big bleed down. That's all it has done. Polestar has been bleeding. Sometimes it tries to recover, but that's all it does. It tries, but actually it has been bleeding down and probably will be getting delisted in the near future. So if you're in it, and don't think there will be a short squeeze, because there will not be a short squeeze. This is not something that is shorted a bunch. This is not, the short float is not that high for you to think that there will be a short squeeze. There's just no interest in the company. It's like they're just selling it. They're not shorting it. They're selling it because they don't want to be invested in this company because the management is actually shite. That's all they're doing. They're not shorting it. There's a difference between those two. So if you're hoping on a short squeeze, you might want to go to something else like Nikola. That is a short squeeze. This, no, it's just bad management. This is just bad management. Nobody wants to be invested in it. And should you go back in? Yes, you can. Once they have filed their FY23, once they have filed their Q1, and once maybe they have made any kind of comment about the Biden tax of 102%. Other than that, stay out of this one for your own good. Go to NVIDIA.